So today's video is just going to be on this purple and blue, mainly blue, just a little bit of purple look. What I'm doing first is I'm going in with concealer and I'm just going underneath my eyebrows. This just makes my eyebrows more defined, and then it's just going to act as a primer for my eyeshadows. I then go in with a pearly white eyeshadow and I put that underneath my brow bone, so this is just going to act as a highlight. I want the colours really vibrant, so I just went straight in with the blue instead of setting my eyelid, and I'm just blending out the blue, working in circular motions and windscreen wiper motions and taking it the full way across my crease of my eye. Then going in with the dark blue navy colour, I'm applying that to the outer part of my eye, and then with a blending brush I start blending it inwards, just so that there's like a definition then when I cut the crease. As always, I cut the crease with 60H gel liner, and I'm just taking this halfway across my lid and then just patting it with my finger and stuff just to make sure that it's blended across my lid. I do one eye at a time because I want to make sure that the gel liner is still tacky when I'm packing the pigment on top of it. And once I have the pigment patted on top, I then go in with 77 gel liner. Just take this straight across my lid, keeping it close to my lashes, but I'm not winging it out or anything like that. I'm going to be smoking out the edges in a minute. How I smoke out the edges is I get a little bit of that navy kind of blue shadow that I used before and some Duraline, and I start kind of just working in small circular motions, and this just starts blending the gel liner. Then on my waterline I apply like a blue kind of colour on my waterline, and then I start smoking out purple underneath that, just so it's a nice contrast against the blue. Then with a light purple shade I pop that into my inner tear duct, and this just brightens up the whole look and adds that purple back in. To finish off the look I add mascara and fake eyelashes. So that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to watch it in Irish, I also have it in Irish on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!